Hello, I'm Ray. This is my vegetable garden. If you're a new subscriber, please subscribe. Get notifications when I post new videos. Today we're going to give my shed a bit of care and a bit of paint. We found this paint in the shed. This is medium oak. So we're going to give it a bit of a spruce up. So we've just got to move the hanging baskets and we can get down to painting. So it's always good to test a bit of paint, as this is far too light. And this is blue that I had, teal, and just not keen on teal too. So I've mixed, this has got golden chestnut, the teal blue, and the light oak. And it's a bit of a mishmash, but we use what we've got and we'll give this a try. Not so sure, it's coming out kind of a greeny. So I'm not quite so sure. So, after a very short time, I decided I didn't like the dark shed. So we're going pastel. We're using this because we've got some left. It's going to brighten up a dull shed. So we will continue painting this shed and see how much we can get done. So what do you think? It's got to be better than the old brown. Well, just another day and another change of plan. Yesterday we ended up painting the side, and now today, bit of a search I see this country room. So I'm not so sure now. What do you reckon? Now we're on to the country cream. Not sure how this is going to work out at the moment. I was going to just leave it the brown, but after googling I see this country green goes well with the seagrass. So it does take a good couple of coats. Once the first layer was on, it's like a base layer, and then the second coat will go on, and it might need just a bit of a touch up on the third coat, and we'll see what happens. So I'm not totally convinced just yet, but we're doing my little toolbox, and we will see. So the chance it's going to turn brown. We can try that and see. So the first coat goes on more like an undercoat, kind of seals the wood. The second coat that goes on gives a more permanent paint. So it might need 3. This is a very light colour. The blue next doors is just the one coat that goes on much nicer after the first initial coat. The second coat on the newer wood goes on so much better than the old rough sawn wood. So this is looking quite good already. And this is the third coat. It's going on nice and smooth now, and hopefully will be the last. It does say on the tin minimum 2. Just finishing off now, putting back on. So thank you very much for watching, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, ring that bell and leave me a comment. Do you like the colours? I think I do. Thank you very much. Cheers!